Ladies and gentlemen, welcome. My name is Peter Oluoch. I'm a stock market researcher and investor. I talk to people about the stock market. I guide people on the stock market. I teach people about the stock market. I tell them to save, invest, and grow well. Today's topic is this: day trading at the Nairobi Securities Exchange. I want to say congratulations to Jeffrey Odundo, the CEO, Nairobi Securities Exchange, and the entire Nairobi Securities Exchange, Capital Markets Authority, and CDSC. You guys have done a good job. Day trading at the N.S.E. What does it mean? Ladies and gentlemen, let me tell you one thing. N.S.E. has come from far. Some years back, you would buy shares today, or rather you would buy shares this week, and you wait for 7 days. Then you sell almost the other week. 7 business days, by the way, not 7 days, 7 business days. So you would buy this week on Monday, you count 5 days, then you exclude weekends, then you count more days the other week. Now it was reduced from 7 days to 3 working days, T plus 3. Now it has been reduced to T plus 0. You can buy now in the morning and sell in the evening. Ladies and gentlemen, this is very good. This is very good. You can now buy shares in the morning and sell in the evening. It's now like Ikomba. We are now like hawkers. You can make your money daily. And remember, there are about 22 trading days in the Nairobi Securities Exchange. So every day you can make money. Today you can decide to buy Nation. Tomorrow you buy KCB. The other day you buy Equity. Another day you buy Safaricom. Another day you buy NVV. Another day you buy Britam. Another day you buy Stanchart. Another day. There are 22 days, and 22 days you can be buying shares, selling, buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell. How will you know which share to buy? This is what you need. This is your stock market Bible. This is your stock market formula. This is your stock market guide. You need this book, come rain, come shine. Because I tell you exactly what you need to buy, why you need to buy, at what point you need to buy, and why you should avoid stock A, why you should avoid stock B, and why you should buy stock C. In this book, I explain a lot about the stock market. I give you the exact formula. I give you the recipe. So that tomorrow, when the market opens, you know what to buy. And you know what to sell. And then the other day again, when the market opens, you know what to buy and you know what to sell. This is your stock market guide. You need it now that we have day trading at the Nairobi Securities Exchange. Apart from that, I urge you all to join the VIP group. I have a Telegram group. One is free and the other one is charged. I only charge you 1,000 shillings for 30 days to teach you about the stock market. You can ask any question you want. I can help you with analysis of any company. We are looking at the financial records. We are looking at the earnings. We are looking at the profits. We are looking at the dividends. We are looking at the news. We are looking at many things. And of course, we are looking at the candlesticks, the movements, the analysis, and also we are looking at the sentiments. What is the public saying about this company? How is the public receiving this company? So we do a lot of things in the VIP group. And it is a practical stock market school. There is no any other company like that in Kenya where you do analysis of the stock market real time. So ladies and gentlemen, Day trading has been introduced in the Nairobi Securities Exchange, and you need to know which shares to buy daily. Now, let me tell you the advantage of day trading. One, even if you make 2% returns per month, no, per day, because of course you will buy and sell. Then the stockbrokers will eat their commission. It's about 4% commission if you have less than 100,000. If you have more than 100,000, of course, it reduces to about 3.6. So let's say a share. For example, today, let's say today NBV went up by 9%. Of course, tomorrow also it will go up by 9%. I had told members of my VIP group last week to buy NBV because I knew it was going up. So let's say today you buy NBV in the morning and then it goes up by 9%. You can decide to sell. Now let's take, for example, that the brokers eat 4% commission. Out of 9%, you still remain with 5%. So ladies and gentlemen, let's take, at a worst case scenario, remain with 2%. If you do these times 5 days in a week, you'll have 10%. If you do these times another 4 weeks, you'll have 40%. Out of 100,000, you'll have made 40,000. Ladies and gentlemen, Nairobi Securities Exchange, the stock market has never been sweeter than this. Now you can make money daily. Even if you have 10,000 shillings. Even if you make 200 shillings daily, it is money. Even if you make 300 shillings daily, it's money. Because it's money you didn't have. Now you have it. Day trading is the best thing under heaven that the Nairobi Securities Exchange has done. Congratulations, Geoffrey Dundo. Congratulations, N.S.E. Congratulations, CMA. Congratulations, CDSE. And congratulations, everybody who has made this a success. Thank you. If you're new to this channel, subscribe. If you're not in our Telegram group, please join our Telegram group. That's where we discuss the stock market 24/7. Thank you so much. See you in the next video.